You held my hand when the world turned cold, told me stories, gave me hope, made me bold. You were the fire when the lights went out, held your pain and never let it out. I was just a kid, didn't see the stress. Now I see clearly, you gave me your best. You skipped meals just to fill my plate, prayed for me when I came home late. And now I rap not for fame or pay, but to thank you, Mom, each word I say.
Come, hublay si buneafi, kajing gijong pi, kajing lam linti angi, hakapor bangi tangan, pi ay ba may sa.
Come, hublay si bunea kita. Hublay si bunea kita. You never wore gold, but you shine like stars. Never took breaks, carried pain and scars. Taught me strength without saying a word. You the realest woman that I ever heard. I was lost, you kept me grounded. Even when I fell, your love surrounded. Now every mic I touch, I bless your name. You gave me everything and asked no fame, Mom. You deserve the skies and more. You're the reason I opened every door.
Come, hublay si bunay, kajing gijong pi, kajing lam linti angi, hakapor bangi tangan, pi ay ba may sa. Come, hublay si bunea kita.
For every tear you wiped from my face, every prayer you whispered into the night, this one's for you, Mom. Come, na ida pi.